So what happens, I mean, if somebody wants to break that wall for you and, you know, genuinely be there for you, what things does the person need to do?
I have this superpower of gauging if a person is being real or not. I don't know how, but I do it. But then it also depends what kind of connection that person has with you, what kind of bond you share, what kind of expectations they have with you. It all comes with like in the same package. So if I feel like someone is being very genuine towards me and wants to have a good term with me, be it friendship or anything, I will get to know that. I don't need to have a bond written or a contract or anything, an agreement with you, so that I can trust you. It's nothing like that. If I get that instinct, if I get that feeling, probably I will think about it. I will also start giving efforts. That's how it starts.
बिग बॉस के घर में ये किसी भी कंटेस्टेंट के लिए लगा आपको?
नेहल के लिए लगा था, कुनिका जी के लिए लगा था. आई थिंक दैट्स इट. या
आपने हमारे इंटरव्यू में कहा था उस दिन कि आपने कुनिका जी को मिस जज किया था. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड? ऐसा कौन सा इंसिडेंट था तब जब आपको रियलाइज हुआ कि यार इंसान मैंने मिस जज किया है?
Yeah, so apparently, Kunika ji has this nature. She belongs to a family like who has army background, navy background. So she's very strict with her discipline and all. And I'm someone who doesn't care. I am someone, if I pick up something from here, I will not keep it there back. That's me. That's my thing. I want to do anything if only if I want to do it. I will not let anyone tell me you do this. And if the very humblest way of Kunika ji was still a very triggering, behavior for me. That was the clash all the ways. And it happened since we are in game, you can't trust anyone so easily. So was with me and with Kunika ji as well. Kunika ji has also a very deep history of her personal life. So I understand where she comes from. She understands I believe she was the first person in the whole show who understood me. And then we were there of coming in good terms with each other, and then something happens in the assembly room and we had to turn against each other twice, thrice, and then again we are trying to be in good contact, and then something happens on weekend, and then we are against each other. But that day during Amal's captaincy, we got into some tiff and all, and he told me you will not get the food, and I was like, okay, cool. Then Kunika ji kept some food for me, and she was like, chicken. She was like, go cook, keep it somewhere, just spare it and eat it later, don't tell him and all. So I don't know why, this was a very minute thing, but it touched me. And since then I liked her presence around me. There were times after that when she was just sitting around and not talking to me, and I felt really good.
But you felt calm.
Yeah, I felt very calm. And she left. And unfortunately, just a week or two after these things happened, she got evicted. And then I really felt her absence in the whole house.
But I'm sure you will meet her abhi bahar.
Definitely, I will.
Yeah.
She has been contacting my management. Get me her number. But since I'm changing my number, a lot of things are happening. So I would definitely, once I'll be, a little bit done with almost everything, then I'll go and meet her with a lot of itminan and time.
What about Nehal?
Nehal and my friendship, it started organically. I never heard her saying anything wrong about me from secret room. However, that day when I got evicted in assembly, she also gave me very, kind of disrespectful gestures. Her words, her behavior. So that was enough for me to be like, she can never be my friend. But then when I came back inside the house, it happened eventually with the flow. It was not from my end. It was not planned. But then a lot of events happened where I felt like she was manipulating. Obviously, since we are in game, she was manipulating. I was feeling like emotionally drained while I was with her. Because if you are with a very genuine friend, you gotta be feeling very free. Like even you can feel vulnerable in that situation because you're with a person who cares for you, who you think you can trust upon. But since I was feeling like I was feeling emotionally damaged, and I was not feeling that connect, because you can ignore number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, but it keeps piling up.
Yeah.
And at one moment, it all comes heavily on your heart. And then you have to take decision. And then I told her, see, Nehal, I don't feel like this bond is like how it used to be. So please don't do anything for me. I don't want you to be like at the end of the day, I did this for you, I did that for you. Now you're telling me if you don't feel that bond. So I told her, I don't feel like I feel like calling it off. But then we met recently and she was quite pretty good with me. She was very warm. She was supportive. And in my mind, it was a clean slate. But, and already I was dealing with things. I was on stage. There was a quite, storm going around in my head. But then I came out and she was like, I support you and I love you inside, in the house and outside as well. Just remember this, I stressed. I was like, okay. But then I came out and I saw some clips from the house where she's talking about me adversely, me and Basir, that, now they're going to start a bond for the game or this or that. However, I am not a person who will have to use love angle to survive in the house. Using love angle for a person like me, it's a negative thing. Getting a person who can be your weakness for a person like me, that's not a plus point. So yeah, Basir and me, we had a really good friendship. But I heard her, my fans sent it to me, and since she has been giving interviews and all, so my management had also kept some clips. So I got to see a lot of things. However, it doesn't matter right now. What happened. But then you get a clarity in your mind that who is your friend and who were never your friend.
What about तान्या? Do you think she उन्होंने सच में आपके साथ दोस्ती निभाई है? क्योंकि जैसा बाहर से व्यूअर्स ने देखा है कि जब भी कोई अकेला पड़ जाता था तब तान्या उनके पास जाती थी, उनकी तरफ दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाती थी, और आपके साथ भी वैसा ही हुआ. बट व्हाट डू यू फील, उनकी तरफ से जेन्युइन था आपके लिए उनकी दोस्ती?
तब जब हुआ ना वो चीज़, when I was alone, she came to me, अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को छोड़ के, she came to me and all. उसमें बहुत रक्स हो गया वहाँ पे. अमाल said कि तुमने अपने दोस्त को धोखा दिया, वो किया, ये किया. Everyone was coming on her adversely and not on me. It was surprising. बट क्या हुआ कि हमारी दोस्ती थोड़ी आगे बढ़ गई, फिर कुछ ट्विस्ट हुआ, फिर कुछ हुआ, एंड हम फिर से झगड़ा हो गया एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. फिर से उसने कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा. फिनाले वीक तो बहुत ही अजीब सी चीज़ें हो रही थी, मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. देयर वर वेरी पिटी थिंग्स हैपनिंग, जिस पे आई वाज लाइक ना, इस पे क्या झगड़ूं यार. एंड देन आई डिसाइड आई विल कीप अ डिस्टेंस विद हर. बट फिर वो वापस ट्रैक पे आई. देन शी स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग इन अ नॉर्मल वे. बट ऑन एंड ऑफ था. अभी आई हैव नॉट मेट हर आउटसाइड, एंड उसका पर्सनैलिटी या तो बहुत एक्सट्रीम है टू बी रियल, बट यू नॉट जज. एंड आई नेवर इन्वेस्टेड दैट मच टाइम इन टू हर इन द हाउस कि मैं देखूँ ये सच है, गलत है, सही है या फेक है, वॉट एवर. बिकॉज शी वॉज बीइंग गुड टू मी, आई वॉज बीइंग गुड फॉर हर. दैट्स इट.
बसीर और आपका जो नाम है उसको लेकर एक नया हैशटैग बना था, हैशटैग बहाना, और बाहर वो बहुत ट्रेंड भी हो रहा था. बट हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस कि लोगों का नाम जोड़ना रियलिटी शो के अंदर और उसके थ्रू गेम में आगे बढ़ना? हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस एंगल?
I never needed any hashtag to go ahead in the game. In the second week when Sahiba came inside the house, and she said that you guys are trending, there is a hashtag outside Bahana, I didn't believe it. I said ये makers ने बोला होगा, ऐसे कुछ बोला. I don't know why on earth I can't believe anything at first instant. Even when GK won and Salman ji just raised his hand, and I didn't believe Patake Fude, and I turned around and I looked at Salman. He was happy and he was like done. And that's when I got no, okay, it's him. So it's my problem. I can't just believe anything on first instinct. Bahana was like, okay. I was like, hai to theek hai, nahi hai to theek. Matlab, both ways, either ways I was good. But that way, getting to know that you have people outside, your fans, your supporters who are liking you. So why not? If they're liking me, do whatever you want to do. बनाओ यार hashtags जो भी बनाने हैं. उनका भी तो हक है, क्योंकि अगर वो आपको प्यार करते हैं तो इतना तो वो कुछ भी ख्यालों में बना सकते हैं आपके लिए.
जब स्टेज पर आप थे, गौरव, आप और सलमान खान, उस वक्त लाइक those few seconds before the announcement was made, what was going on in your head?
I thought I'm the winner. At that point, to a great extent, I was sure I'm the winner. because looking at my journey, looking at everything, when people came inside, my fans, they were screaming my name, compiling everything that happened, I was sure I'm the winner of the season. But at some point, I had kept this thing also in my mind that probably I'll lose. I had to take it very gracefully. Otherwise, handling it there on the stage, it's very difficult. Very difficult. Like you had to hold yourself back from breaking down. And the moment it was declared GK's Gaurav Khanna is winning, I kept smiling because I didn't want to be like someone who lost it. I was feeling very bad, very bad. Like for a good passage of time, my brain was blank. I was not able to think anything or anything. And then suddenly I looked at my ex-contestants. There were a bunch of people coming towards me. And I was standing and some went from my right and some went from my left. And then I saw Basir coming, Shehbaz coming, Zishanji coming, Nagma Awais, and they hugged me. Basir hugged me.
Mm-hmm.
So it was very much needed at that time because I was going through a lot. But, this is my thing. I had to accept it very gracefully. I didn't know what to do. All I decided, okay, I'll smile. And then GK telling me, ab tali baja Farhana. I was like, dude, तुम्हें अपनी कामयाबी accept करने के लिए भी मेरी ताली की ज़रूरत है. किस चीज़ के लिए? To satisfy your ego? Okay, dude. There you go. But एक legend सलमान खान ने कहा था इसी सीज़न में कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको लोग वोट से जिता दे, लेकिन सीज़न किसी और के नाम से याद किया जाएगा.